In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you are watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment. That name is Excel 2021 in practice chapter 10 independent project 10 to 6 window only. Remember that we are solving Simnet assignment. So from here we will download our start file and resource file. Then after completing our file, then we have to upload our solution file here and we get grade. So independent project 10 to 6, these instructions are only compatible with Microsoft Windows operating system. Steps to complete this project: mark steps as checked when you complete them. Your logistic combine a text file with route information and Microsoft Access table with transaction detail. You create and merge queries to build a pivot table. So these SLOs will be covered in today's project. File needed. These files are needed that we have already downloaded from start file and from a resource link. Then after completing our project, then file name must be this one. Skill covered in this project: import text file in Power Query, get database table in Power Query, merge queries as a new query, create a pivot table from merge query, format a pivot table, insert a format slicer, group rows in Power Query. So all these skill will be covered in today's project. So now we are moving to our instruction file. So before going to solve this assignment step by step, first we move to our whole assignment, how many points we have in today's assignments. So in today's assignment in graded part, we have just 7 questions. 8, 9 and 10 are non-graded one. So let me start today's assignment step by step. In first part, we have to open the file that we call start file or solution file. So let me open that one first. It is just getting opening. Then we have to click enable editing. That is already there. Then file will rename automatically to include our name. Yes, you may see our name is there. That is automatically added. So first part is done. Now we are moving to our next part. In next part, what we have to do: get text file and database file in Power Query. So we have to get text file and database file in Power Query. So first we have to launch Power Query. For that we have to click data. There is get data and launch Power Query editor first. Then in next part we have to click new source button, that is in home tab, new query group. In home tab, new query group, there is new source button. So then what we have to do there, we have to import text body logistic 10 from student data file. Okay, so from here we have to find text, then we have to move to our downloaded there, and there is that file. Okay, it is just getting importing, then simply press OK. Then in next part we have to get table beyond 10 from Microsoft Access database. So again click on new source, from database access we have to put this one, import, and what file we have to take, we have to take table beyond 10. Okay, from here we have to just table beyond 10, we have to add that one, simply press OK. So both will be added here. In queries, both are added. So question number 2 is done. In question number 2, there are 3 parts and we have solved each and every part step by step. So after solving question number 2, now we are moving toward question number 3. Transform data and merge queries. Select data field in table beyond and set data type to date. Now we have to select data field in table beyond, this one. Where is date field? This one. Okay. Then set data type to date. We have to open and click on just date. Okay. First part is done. Now we are moving toward the next part. Merge and queries. Merge the queries as a new query including all record from this one with matching rows from this one. Identify the common field. Merge query new. Then this one, first we have to in table beyond matching rows with table logistic. Identify common field. Okay, then this part is done. Now we are moving toward this part. Expand field. This one in merge query and remove code field. We have to select this one and remove code field. And remove code field. Okay, code field we have to remove that one. Then close and load the queries. If there is some problem with this one, we again create that one. Okay, then close and load the queries, then rename each sheet if necessary to match the name query. Confirm your names in the query connection pane. So in this way we will solve question number 3. Then create a pivot table for merge one range on new worksheet and name that this one. We just move toward power pivot, and there from there we will create a pivot table, and that name must be the new sheet must be named merge one. Okay, so in this way we will solve question number 4. Then we will solve question number 6 and 7. So in total we have 7 questions. Out of 7 we have done first 1, 2, 3 and 4 question we have done in today's video. Remember that we are solving Simnet assignment, that name is Excel 2021 in practice chapter 10 independent project 10-6 window only. We start download required file and resources, then we move toward independent project and we discuss everything related to SLOs that we will cover in today project. Then we discuss the skills covered in today project. Then we just move to our instruction file and we have solved question 1, 2, 3 and 4 out of 7. We have just 7 questions in graded part. Out of 7 questions we have done first 4 questions, mean almost 50 to 55% assignment is done from my side in today video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, my email ID, my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description, as well as there in bottom of this video you may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% result. That's my guarantee. That's my promise that your result will be 100%. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. Remember that you may also contact me for other courses just like mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, sim book project, SQL project, Power BI project. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks. That's my guarantee. That's my promise because I'm in this field from last 10 years. So you can trust on me and you will get E grade 100% marks whenever I will solve your assignment. And it's biggest opportunity for every client that first you get the result of your assignment, then you pay me. In this way you will remain safe from the scammer, because there are many scammers in the market who took the payment from the client but they didn't solve their assignment. So from my side, that's the biggest opportunity, that first you get the result of your assignment, then you pay me. Our payment will be reasonable and your result will be A grade 100%. So in today's video, we discuss Simnet assignment Excel 2021 in practice chapter 10 independent project 10-6. That is only window only. We have solved almost 50 to 55% assignment in today's video. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care, bye bye, best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment. Again, listen to me carefully that we have done almost 55% assignment in today's video. But if you need help regarding this assignment, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, my email ID, my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description, as well as there in bottom of this video you may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get E grade 100% marks.